Good morning everyone. Today we are in a very special shop that has installed our central vacuum cleaner, a grooming shop. We are going to see how central vacuum cleaner can prove useful and sometimes decisive in cleaning. Follow me. You can already see traces of dirt from the grooming job. We see a guest who is being groomed, and also how much hair is lying around. How can all this hair be treated? How can you ensure that the cleaning is really deep and effective? Obviously, the answer is central vacuum cleaner. The room in which we find ourselves is quite small in size, so the pipework in this case is really minimal. In the boiler room, we find the central vacuum cleaner and the turbix, our cyclonic separator that retains all the vacuumed hair before it reaches the machine's filter. It is a must in cases like this. Here is a service outlet for cleaning the shop, and the only one too, because we don't need as many inlet valves as you might think. As you can see, installing the centralized vacuum cleaner in this type of environment is really simple, because with just one inlet valve we have already abundantly covered the entire surface to be cleaned. So we managed with minimal intervention to allow efficient and effective cleaning of the entire business. But that's not all. Thanks to the liquid separator that can be connected to the system, it is possible to suck up any liquids that may have spilled onto the floor surface, leaving the surface clean, dry and ready for the next cleaning steps. We often tell you about the effectiveness of turbix in stopping dirt before it reaches the filter of the central unit. Here we have just such an example, because if you see the turbix bucket, it has collected all the sucked up hairs. If we look at the central instead, you can see that almost completely clean. This is the effectiveness of cyclonic separation. This is the effectiveness of turbix.